You need to hear this if you're a cricket fan. Radha Yadav was on fire. She flew like a superwoman, snatching 2 jaw-dropping catches, took 4 wickets for 69 runs, and top-scored for India with 48. Her 70-run partnership with Saima Thakur for the 9th wicket was India's highest ever in ODIs. But New Zealand's experienced trio of Devine, Bates and Tahuhu had other plans. Sophie Devine's all-round performance, scoring 79 and taking 3 wickets, was simply unbeatable. Bates chipped in with a solid 58, and Tahuhu's 3 for 42 sealed the deal. Despite Radha and Thakur's heroic efforts, India's chase was never on track. Early wickets tumbled and Smriti Mandana fell for a duck. Harmanpreet Kaur and Jemimah Rodriguez tried to hold the fort, but New Zealand's bowling attack was relentless. Devine's leadership was rock solid, guiding New Zealand to a comfortable 76-run victory, leveling the series 1-1. They also secured crucial points for direct qualification to next year's ODI World Cup. Cricket fans, what a match! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrilling cricket updates.